everyone, welcome to our channel. In my previous videos, we have seen how to make bookmark with the minion and turtle design. I have added video link for this in description box. Today, in this video, I am going to show you how to make a very popular and everyone's favorite Marvel's Captain America Shield design bookmark. Also, at the end of video, I will be sharing a bonus tip with you. So watch the video until the end. Let's see what we require to make this bookmark. We will need color paper strip. We will need red, white and blue color paper strip of 3 mm width, precision craft glue, quilling needle, small scissor and white color. I'm using acrylic colors. You can use any white color you have, and card paper for making base of bookmark. So let's start. For making this blue color coil, we will need approximately 160 cm blue color strip. So I am connecting this 40 cm long coil together to make 160 cm coil. Align the coil properly while joining it together. Insert the paper strip in quilling needle slot and roll it up to make a tight coil. For making tight coil, apply pressure with these 2 fingers and roll it. Press like this and make a plain coil and secure the end with glue. Now we will enclose this blue coil with a red color paper strip of 110 cm long strip. So apply glue here and paste it like this. Align it properly with the blue color strip's end and enclose it by rolling like this. Secure the end. Similarly, enclose this coil with a white paper strip of length 130 cm. Secure the end. At last, enclose this coil with a 160 cm long red color strip. Now we will paint the star on this blue color coil. Before that, I will show you how to draw this star on paper. So mark 3 points on circle in triangular shape and join it like this. Now take 1 point in the center of these 2 points and connect these 2 points. Again take another point in between these 2 points, connect it, and finally connect these 2 points together. Now we will draw the star on this coil. Now let's paint the star with white color. Let it dry for a while. To give it 3D look, press the coil from opposite side like this. Slowly. Now apply the glue from inside and let it dry for a while. We are applying glue from inside to secure the 3D look of our shield. Place the shield on bookmark base and your bookmark is ready. Now, as promised, I will share you a bonus tip with you. I will show you how we can use this shield as a pencil topper. For making pencil topper, paste this shield on one card paper. Let it dry. Now cut this paper in circular shape like this. Now take one small strip of paper with a width 1.5 cm and glue it like this and roll it on pencil like this. Secure the end with glue. Now glue this roll on the back of this shield. Let it dry for a while. Now your pencil topper is ready. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video with another simple and easy design.